Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing the Huawei Band 8 from an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Huawei Health app on your iPhone. Tap Devices from the bottom menu bar. Tap Huawei Band 8 at the top of the page. Tap the 4 dots button in the top right corner. Then tap Unpair Device from the options. Tap Unpair on the pop-up. Tap OK, then close the Huawei Health app and open the Settings app. In Settings, tap Bluetooth. Then tap the eye icon to the right of Huawei Band 8. Tap Forget this device. Tap Forget device on the pop-up. Your watch has now been unpaired from your iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.